So in this video I am going to tell you how to use ChatGPT tools for better results. So first of all you need to open ChatGPT and log in, and after that you can see there is an option of tools showing here. Just tap on this. You can see options like search the web, write or code, run a deep search, think longer. So you can select like search a web, and so first prompt I have written like give me job alternative for content developer, because of AI, content developers are facing some problems nowadays. So let me search it. It is searching on web. So this is a technical writer, communicator. These are the options which is giving. So let me use another tool, write or code. So I have written another point like do we require coding skills for such jobs. So let me search more using this prompt. So it is showing canvas as well. Click on OK. So it is useful like web content manager. So it is giving me extra rules about these things, and you can use other tools as well. You can click on this suggested 18 button as well. You can see canvas is showing properly, so you can just tap on this and you can click on tools again and click on run deep search. So I have written elaborate more, so it is change the things for me. So you can anytime cross it and go back to this thing, and now click on tools again. You can think a longer. I've written like give me more insight. So it will think and then it will give you a solution. Thinking, it is also thinking deep searches for me. So you can see there are so many things which you can use and find using AI chatbots, but you need to know how to use it properly. So this is the another feature of ChatGPT which you can use, and it is very helpful. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.